Okay guys, so here we go. I don't know why I went Minnesota on you. We don't have the vent hole in the wall. Not sure exactly how I want to run it. I don't know if I want to go out the bottom or straight out the side or out the back or whatever, and we haven't really decided. So, being that it's winter, we're going to make an indoor dryer vent. Essentially, with electric dryers, you can vent it into your house as long as you got something to catch the lint, and then you're actually reclaiming the humidity to help heat your house. So as you're using the electricity, you're also creating warmth in your house. So the dryer vent that we used to have is this guy. It had each side has one of these, so this will actually go onto the dryer itself, and then this one, which I've already kind of cut that top little barb off, I'm going to, this is just an old paint bucket, and in fact still got paint on the inside. So we're going to take that, and I'm going to use this as a stencil, create a hole, and then once I get that fixed in there, tape and seal up the underside so it doesn't kind of come out or whatever, and then I will reattach this into there, and then that would be our vent, and then make some holes in the top lid as well, and then that way as the dryer vents into here, there'll be some water in the bottom to catch so you're not blowing lint and everything all over your house. So the lint will go into there and of course get soaked and stay in the water, and then the humidity will come out and we'll just maintain the water. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so we got the lid cut. I went and put some water in it. I turned the breaker back on after installing the wire for the plug, and then I got that wired up. So now we're live. Let me flip this around. Alright, so we just put about a gallon of water or so in there, and then this guy, go right on top of it, clamp it down a little bit, set him off into the back corner, and now we've got our inside venting, and let's see, cleaned it out real well before we moved, so they're coming out there. So now as we dry our clothes, we will be able to pump some heat into here.
Don't look at me, I'm changing.
Well, why are you in the... I'm in the laundry room.
Yeah, I'm in the bathroom.
This is
We're not opposite
weird.
room.
Or you got a bucket and a lid. You know, you can make yourself reclaim some of your electricity in heat form. There you go.